Hello guys, this is our setup and plan for today. So first thing first is always market structure, and this is GU. GU, we know that our external structure, the price is still moving down, right? Break of structure to the downside, another break of structure to the downside, and then here a change of character to the upside, and then we got our 15 minutes time frame for our internal market structure. Then here break of structure to the upside, but it's internal structure, and another break of structure to the upside, and also it's internal structure, and then a continuation break of structure to the upside, internal structure, then here we had our break of structure, we had our change of character here, and our bearish breaker block, change of character to the downside, had a break, then a retest into our breaker block, then the price just continued to the downside, then we have a continuation break of structure to the downside. So external structure, it's an uptrend. Internal structure, it's in a downtrend, but it's still okay. You can still trade as long as you understand the market structure, you understand the entries, breaker blocks, liquidity, so on. So here we have our this other block was already mitigated, not another block. Have this other block. We have one clean order block, but they're all mitigated. Let me check on 45. It's also mitigated. So for GU right now, I'm just going to be patient, and I'll wait for the price to come up into this area. This area automatically, I'm going to wait for the price to disrespect this area. That's the only scenario. That's scenario number one. I'm going to wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation to the downside. That's my plan on GU. I'm not expecting the price to come and react from here and then move. No, I'm not expecting that. I'm not. Just expecting for the price to come back here. Then you get our external change of color to the downside, then a break, then a retest, then a continuation. That's it. That's my plan. So I have to be a little bit more patient so that the price give me more confirmation so that I can take that trade. So for EU, you can clearly see, wow. For EU, everything is in good condition according to our plans. So for GU, we had our break of structure to the upside from here, and clearly you can see that the price still have more liquidity to the upside, but still we didn't get that extra confirmation. And then here we had our break of structure to the upside. Then we had a change of character to the downside from here. You can see it. Change of character to the downside. And then we had our 15 minutes. This one was not a valid pullback. So for GU, You just have to be patient because I have a lot of liquidity up here. I was swing high and swing low, and the price is still neutral. I'm not planning on selling or buying anything because, let me see, swing low, then let's see our liquidity to the downside and the upside. Yep, we are not selling or buying anything. You just have to be patient. And this will happen sometimes when you open some pairs and there's neutral. You just have to be patient, right? Then you have gold. The price needs to reach our swing high to tap into this sell order block after having this change of character to the downside. Then the price tapped into this sell point of interest, then melted to the downside and didn't come. So you're going to be more patient. I'm not going to rush into this, although we can move to 15 minutes. It's not valid. It's not. Let me try to zoom in and see. No, it's not. So if you're going to be patient and wait for the price to come back to this order block, then you look for sell confirmation, then you target the next swing high. You're not going to be greedy and you're going to be patient, because patience is one of the most important things in trading. You're going to be patient. Swing low, we target that swing low. And for GJ, you can see GJ had our break of structure to the upside, but it was a change of character to the upside. Then we had a change of character to the downside. Then we had a break of structure to the downside. You can clearly see that then the price broke this, and then you can clearly see, and then we had our change of character to the upside. You can clearly see here. Then after that, now you have to look for those order blocks, but this order block is already mitigated. So this order block is already mitigated, so we can check on 15 minutes, 30 minutes, sorry. This order block is already mitigated. And then you can check on 15 minutes. Let's see how really the market is reacting. Still, this was the last sell to buy candle that led to this break here, but still have plenty of liquidity. So my plan on this, I'm expecting the price, two scenarios from here. I'm expecting the price to come here, then break here, then retest from around here, then continue to the downside. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, I'm expecting the price to go back to the upside here, then come back here, then go up. So the most important thing right now is to be patient. You're going to be patient and wait for the price, to give us that extra confirmation. You see, it will happen sometime, like when shifting the market conditions, because now Orlando session is 1 hour earlier than before. That means the market is shifting, right? And you have to be very, 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 very patient. So for UJ, you can see for UJ, we had our change of character to the downside. You can see it here. Then we had our break of change of character to the upside. Then we had to go down on 15 minutes to our internal market structure. Then you can see from here, he had a break of structure to the upside, but it's internal structure. Then you had a break of structure to the upside continuation. Then you had a change of character to the downside. You can see it. Then you had a break of structure from here. Then the price came into this supply zone, melted to the downside. Then we had our continuation break of structure to the downside, which was here. Then we had another break of structure to the downside, which was here. Continuation. Then we had our supply zone, which was this one. Had our supply zone, which was this one, the sell order block, bearish order block. Then the market shifted to the upside again, internal market structure. So this was our sell. Then after being disrespected, turned into our buy breaker block. So what we're expecting? We're expecting one thing. We're expecting for the price to come back here. The moment price to come back here, then we're going to be looking for buy confirmation from lower time frame. Then we continue targeting the next swing liquidity area, which is here, the internal swing high. Then we target here this liquidity, because now the external structure is